Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but all of the downloads in Google Play Store are stuck on a pending on BLACKVIEW Tab 6. To do this, let's open our Google Play Store, and here if we try to install basically any app, it's stuck in the pending. So we can cancel it for now and move on to the fix. What we need to do is to open our settings. Then scroll all the way down, enter System, go for Date and Time, and enable Use Network Provided Time Settings. Now when we go back to Google Play Store and try to install the same app, it should work fine. As you can see, download begins almost immediately. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.